Ferrari time up on the block, a 2007 Ferrari F430 F1 Spider.
The F430 is a beautiful car. They refined the 360, made it more reliable, less maintenance, and this one's been given quite the custom treatment with the body kit lowered to the ground, but still in that Rosso Corsa red with that beautiful Italian V8 right behind your head.
One very Italian touch is to do the piping of the upholstery in a contrasting color. So red here with these caramel colored seats. These are Daytona style seats after the early 70s Ferrari 365 GTB4. And this intake recalls the Le Mans winning Ferrari mid-engine 250 and 275p prototypes of the early 60s. This one's been treated to a Ferrari Challenge grille in the rear and rear diffuser as well.
And you have a window into the car's soul here. You don't have to pop the hood to see that glorious V8 engine, which was around 400 horsepower. And this one is ran by a paddle shift transmission, so you can work the gears electronically like you're an F1 driver.
Great action here in the bidding. We got the kids on the block bidding against somebody down on the floor. We're over $150,000, and that makes this, so far, the #1 sale of the day on Super Saturday here at Barrett-Jackson, although we know the prices are going to go up. $150,000, $152,000. Those folks right there.